Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me much pleasure to be here, and unfortunately also to say goodbye to you. But I'd like to just say a few words. From the bottom of our hearts, we wish you a very, very safe trip back home. But more importantly, we hope you enjoyed your time in Fiji. We hope that you enjoyed the conference itself, the workshops that you had, but also that you also got to see our country and enjoyed the people, our culture, our personality, and also the various personalities within the Pacific, including the wonderful dancers in the rest of the Pacific Island countries. I think we should all put our hands together once again for them. It's a wonderful display of culture, of art, and expression indeed of the Pacific Islanders. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd also like you to please put your hands together. I know you probably have done this. Unfortunately, we weren't able to be here for the past few days except for the opening. For the Governor of the Reserve Bank of Fiji, the Deputy Governor and his team, for having a wonderful organization. I've heard from many of you that I've spoken to, those of you from outside of Fiji. I understand you've enjoyed your time in your stay and you're very appreciative of the organization. I'd like to also take this opportunity to congratulate Egypt, and I'm sure many of you look forward to going to Egypt next year. So let's give our support to Egypt for next year. If you want any of the dancers here, I'm sure they'll be glad to go down to Egypt and help you. But we wish you all the best, and I'm sure many of you will turn up to Egypt. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, last but not least, the reason why we were all here at Denarau in Nadi in Fiji was, of course, to ensure that those millions of people, billions of people in our respective countries who are not included in the financial mainstream, those women, those underprivileged people, those farmers, those squatters, people living in the slums, people who are working in the informal sectors, those people are our main target, and that's the reason why we're here. And the whole idea is to ensure that we do not leave them behind. The whole idea is that we bring them into the fold, we bring them from the periphery into the center. And I'm sure with the kind of enthusiasm that was shown here, the type of energy and the discussions we had, we of course can achieve that goal very, very soon. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to Fiji. We hope you had a wonderful time. We are in Fiji at a cusp of a great period for us. So you have, by coming to Fiji, even made it better for us. Just for information, in 2 days' time, we have the Commonwealth Telecommunications Organization conference here starting on Monday again. So we have a whole series of conferences starting in Fiji, and you have been really the precursor to many to follow this year. So Vinaka for your presence, and I wish you a wonderful back home, a wonderful travel back home. Vinaka, thank you.